Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how we can draw hibiscus flower. So it's quite simple. We need one paper, one pencil and one eraser. So I'm using a 160 GSM watercolor sheet and a simple pencil to draw. So let's start with the video. So whenever you're drawing any flower, the perception of the flower is absolutely important, and it's absolutely depend on how you create your circle and the inner placement of the ovary. So create an oval shape like this and one more oval shape inside the bigger oval shape. So as you can see, we are getting less distance in this particular area and more distance towards the other area. So that is what we wanted here. Now let's say for example we want some other perception. So create oval shape in this direction and you will get different perspective of the flower. So I have already created multiple videos around different perspective of the flower, so you can learn those from that particular video. So the concepts are same, so I'm not going to explain much about that, and I'm going to start with my main flower. So create one oval shape like this, then one more circle inside this. So the perception of my flower is towards this direction. So I'm going to create one stamen in that particular direction only. So from the center create one big stamen like this, like hibiscus flower has. Now divide the bigger circle into 5 equal halves. So this does not has to be very equal. This can be little bigger and little smaller. It's totally up to you. So do not divide with straight line, and create small circle for the stamen. Attach those. Now let's create the petals. So we have 5 different sections. So go beyond the circle and create petals. 2 petals beyond the circle and then 3 petals. Try to do inside that particular circle, or maybe you can extend that. So likewise we have created 5 petals. And rub the unwanted pencil mark. I need to fix this particular area a little bit. Now we are done with basic flower shape. As we are not using color, so we need to shade this with pencil only. So we need some dark shade and some light shade. So this particular area needed little dark shade as compared to other area. So I'm adding dark shade opposite to the stamen and around the inner circle. So add the shade as per the direction of your petal. So this petal is tilted towards the left side, so add your shades towards that particular direction only and fill all the corners. Hold your pencil in 45 degree. Do not hold your pencil straight. Let's say for example, do not do like this. Hold your pencil in 45 degree and do it softly like this. I have to cover the inner circle, so I am covering that first. This area little darker than the other. Now highlight the separation of the petals as well. I'm using simple pencil. You can use charcoal pencil as well if you want. Now we also need folds in the petals, so we need little dark shade in between the petals. So I'm adding those first in the edges. So I'm doing it randomly, I'm not thinking too much. So I have added a few dark area in the petal edges, and then I'm going to add dark shades in between those petals in line to those particular dark shade. Add these kind of lines and then start shading. Keep your pencil stroke as per your petal direction, then only you can see the perception of the petals as well. The light shade is also important, so do not overdo it. The same concept also apply when you are painting it with the watercolor or any color. So keep the balance of light shade and dark shade. And then once done, with the soft hand you can simply do like this, so that we can get a very fine color around the petals. And we're done with the flower. Now let's add the stem. And a simple basic leaf. So just first create a basic leaf like this, a basic leaf shape, and then start adding texture around the edges. Like we did in the flower, do it for leaf as well. And we are almost done with the today's video. Just finishing touch here and there. And we are done with this flower. So this is one perspective. You can also draw different perspective of the flower like this. This one, the only difference is I have created my oval shape in different direction and the inner ovary in different area. So that's the only difference. So I'm hoping this video is helpful for you guys, and thank you so much for watching.